Posture tips to prevent hunchback. Proper desk ergonomics. Adjust your monitor to eye level so you don't need to lean forward. Keep your feet flat on the ground with knees at 90-degree angle, and use a lumbar support pillow or roll a small towel for lower back support. Maintain neutral spine alignment. Keep your ears aligned over your shoulders. Engage your core and ensure your shoulder blades are slightly retracted. Avoid forward head posture. Avoid leaning your head forward or hunching your shoulders while working. Regularly check and reset your posture, especially during long work hours. Take frequent breaks. Stand, walk, and stretch every 30 minutes to counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. You could also set reminders on your phone or computer to adjust posture throughout the day. Thoracic extensions. Sit on a chair with a firm back, place your hands behind your head, lean backwards over the top of the chair and arch your upper back. You could hold this for 5 seconds, then return to neutral. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Cat-cow stretch. Begin on all fours, inhale and arch your back, also known as cow. Then exhale as you round your back and tuck your chin to your chest, also known as cat. Repeat 10 to 15 times to mobilize your spine. Pectoral stretch. Stand in a doorway, placing your forearms against the doorframe at shoulder height. Gently step forward to stretch the chest muscles. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Banded pull-aparts. Hold a resistance band in front of you with both arms extended at shoulder height. Pull the band apart by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Perform 10 to 15 reps and 2 to 3 sets.